So in today's tutorial, we're gonna be talking about generators. Generators are a more Pythonic way to create iterators, and we're gonna be using the will statement to create the generators. So first we need to understand that the generators actually implement next and iter on their own. So the generator, instead of a class, it's gonna be a function. And the will statement is gonna be keeping some information here. So here we have a function and we have some yields. So this function is gonna be returning some values. And the idea is that each call to the next is gonna be returning a different city here with this exact order. So the first next is Hamburg, Constance, Berlin, Zurich, and you can see here the results. We can also be defining a generator to compute prime numbers. So first we have a helper function that tells us if a number is prime, so it can be divided exactly with some value, or if it is true. So we create the generator here. So we're gonna be having a willed function to keep track of the number. So here we're gonna be storing the number for each loop. So let's check it out. We define here the function primes and we want max 10. Then we want to be printing primes, which is gonna be a generator object. And then for each x value, for each yield number, we wanna be printing it. So the prime numbers from 0 to 10 is from 1 to 10, sorry, it's 2, 3, 5, 7. And each of these values was stored into the yield number. So this statement is what kept track of this. Again, I really don't like iterators. I really don't like generators. This is just a tutorial to show you the basic idea.